Strap on the old feed bag. It's time for Calypso Kabobs. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Today's vintage culinary curiosity, Calypso Kabobs, from 1969's June Roth's Fast and Fancy cookbook, the cookbook that keeps on giving, is a fantasia of canned goods. But before we start opening cans, how about a drink? Here's a classic cocktail that's guaranteed to get you in the mood for Calypso Kabobs, the Trinidad Cocktail No. 2 from 1947's Bartender's Guide by Trader Vic. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of Trinidad rum, 1 teaspoon sugar, 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, and the juice of 1/2 lime. Shake with ice and strain into a chilled cocktail glass. Okay, I'm ready to cook. To make the mid-century masterpiece that is Calypso Kabobs, all you do is combine 8 ounces of cooked macaroni, 1 can drained green beans, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon seasoned salt. Place in a shallow baking dish. Cut 1 can of luncheon meat into 12 chunks and alternate on skewers with slices of canned peaches and a bell pepper that has been parboiled and cut into 12 pieces. Cook 1/2 cup onion and 1 clove garlic in 2 tablespoons of oil until browned, combined with 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce and another 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and spoon over kabobs. Bake at 375 degrees for 20 minutes or until heated through. It's a meal your family won't soon forget. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons who help us to produce the show. If you're interested in becoming a patron, please find the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, we would really appreciate it if you'd share it with your friends. We'll be back tomorrow with a live brunch happy hour at noon Eastern on both YouTube and Facebook, because it's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.